Do you suffer from snoring or sleep apnea? Has your spouse banished you to the couch? Do you suffer from low energy or difficulty concentrating during the day? Snoring is a common problem. Studies show that up to 25% of the U.S. population suffer from snoring or sleep apnea. At the Snoring and Sleep Apnea Center at Vent, you will be seen by Dr. McCrae, a board-certified otolaryngologist and sleep specialist with over 10 years' experience in treating sleep and snoring problems. Dr. McCrae will help you understand the nature of your problem. He may order a sleep study to rule out the more serious diagnosis of sleep apnea. Treatment options are typically either medical or surgical in nature. Medical options may include CPAP, allergy treatment such as immunotherapy. Surgical options may include septoplasty, inferior turbinate reduction, palatal implants, and tonsillectomy. Dr. McCrae will take the time to draw up a treatment plan and explain your options and alternatives. If you are ready to get your snoring or apnea problem under control, we're here to help. Call 956-648-2265 to schedule a consultation.